Okay, so SQ is bisecting RST. Interesting. What does it mean to bisect? This is a very specific word that means a very specific thing. And what it means is that it's going to take this big angle, RST, this angle, and it's going to split it into two equal parts, equal being the key. That is congruent to that. Okay? So if they tell us then, we know that the measure of RSQ, this angle, that angle, is 2x minus 4, then guess what we know about this angle, TSQ? We know that that also measures 2x minus 4, because since they are congruent in measure, since that larger angle is bisected, they both have the algebraic expression that would equal it. So write an expression then for the large angle RST, R to S to T, and we know the angle addition postulate says the two smaller angles, since they're sharing a side and therefore are adjacent, and that angle plus that angle will equal the whole thing. So how do we write it algebraically, that big one? Well, we're just going to add those two algebraic expressions together. And so we get 2x plus 4, 2x minus 4, added with 2x minus 4, and you get 4x minus 8. Another thing you could have done, and just a different way of doing it, would be to say 2 times 2x minus 4. We have that amount 2 times. And distribute. That times that, that times that. 2 times 2x, 4x. 2 times negative 4, negative 8. Either way, we get to 4x minus 8, which is the expression for the larger angle. And so the answer is D. We're done.